Hi students, welcome to B.Tech app. Students, in this video, I will explain about very important test that we can conduct on a transformer, right? In previous video, we conduct some test like OC test and as well as SC test to find the losses. Whereas here one more important test according to your syllabus point of view, that test is nothing but what? The synchronous test or back-to-back test, or we can say the regenerative test. Any name we can give here. But students, why we have to conduct a test? What is the purpose of that conducting a test? Because to know the ability, to know the performance, to know the capability of the machine, we are conducting such type of test. Normally, in the test which is conducting is a practical one. In practical, what happens? Some losses will be generated. That type of losses we have to identify so that we can calculate the efficiency and as well as the regulation. So here also this synchronous test, we can say as a synchronous test, which we can conduct on two identical transformers to know the temperature rise. If load is increasing, means what happens here? The temperature will be increases. If temperature increases, its effect on the other losses like copper losses and as well as the core losses. So three things that we can identify by using this synchronous test. The full load test on small transformer is very convenient, but for a large transformer it is not convenient. It is very difficult. The maximum temperature rise in the transformer. If load is increases, means what happens here? The temperature also increases, right? So to determine the full load test, we are using such type of test is nothing but what? Back-to-back or regenerative or synchronous test. The suitable load which absorbs the full load power of a large transformers will not easily available. Hence, large amount of energy will be wasted here. So for this purpose, we are using this back-to-back test, right? Two identical transformers. How many? Two identical transformers are used for a back-to-back test. Those are TR1 and TR2, means transformer 1 and transformer 2 of the primary windings of the transformer connected in parallel. How the primary windings are connected in parallel, the rated nominal rated voltage and frequency for the primary winding, the voltmeter and ammeter are connected to the primary side of the measurement of the voltage and current, right? So ammeter and voltmeter are used to measure the voltage and current of the transformer, right? The secondary winding is connected to the series of the each and opposite polarity. That is, the voltmeter V2 is connected to the terminal of the secondary winding and the measurement of the voltage. So the series opposition of the secondary winding is determined by the connecting. There are two terminals are there. How many are there? So now see here, right? This is supply. V1, V2 are two voltmeters which we can measure the voltage, and A1, A2 are the two ammeters that we can measure the current, and this is a wattmeter W1 and this is wattmeter W2 which measures the power, and this is transformer 1 and transformer 2, right, which is connected in series of the primary and as well as the secondary. Okay students, so this is the setup. This is setup of a synchronous test. From this, what we are finding? Actually finding the losses. We are finding the losses of the synchronous test on transformer. Okay, what are the different types of losses that we are finding from this one? Is the full load efficiency of each transformer is output plus W by 2 by W 2 by 2. Means what? These are the two different types of losses that we are finding from this one. Okay, so what are they? Low power is required for this one. Full load power losses, copper loss and iron losses of the both the transformers, and increase in transformer temperatures can be found. Okay, so the temperature can be also increases. We can identify by using this. So here the determination of temperature rise means load with respect of the temperature. If load increases, automatically the temperature also increases, students. Whereas determination of iron losses. So the wattmeter 1 measures the power loss which is equal to the iron loss. Power loss which is equal to the iron loss of the transformer for determining the iron losses. And whereas for the copper losses, transformer having the copper loss of the transformer is determined by the full load copper losses from the primary and secondary winding of the system. So like this, the temperature rise, iron losses and copper losses can be identified by using this synchronous test on two identical transformer, students. Okay, so OC test ECE test, ideal transformer, practical transformer, performance characteristics of a transformer in terms of regulation, efficiency, losses, Sumpner's test. These all are very important in transformer students. Okay. So this is about the single phase transformer of each and every topic that we discuss in this video. Okay. Thank you students.